When I was told that I had cancer, my first thought was, of course, I'm not going to live. And that's only because of the promotion and certainly all that I've heard over my career and my lifetime about chemotherapy. And I was very concerned about that. Hi, my name is Judy, and I live in the Villages in Florida. When I was first diagnosed with colon cancer in March of 2016, I was devastated. I thought immediately that this was the end. And I had surgery. I had my tumor removed. I met with doctors, and they told me that I needed to have follow-up chemotherapy. And that really frightened me because I've heard so much about chemotherapy. I knew so many people who had gone through chemotherapy. I knew it was poison. I knew it was going to kill the cancer cells, but it would kill my good cells. I had had heart issues a few years before, so I was very leery about what I was being told that I needed to do as next steps. So I started exploring and researching some options, and I thought there must be an alternative to this chemotherapy. There must be something out there that doesn't focus on the sickness. So I went to the internet and I started searching. And I did my research and I did my reading for alternative to chemotherapy. And what I found was a place in Scottsdale, Arizona called Sunridge Medical. And it was just so reassuring to think that there was an opportunity to get well and to focus on wellness rather than focus on sickness, that I got excited and said, okay, this is what we have to do. When I first met with Dr. Franco, I was so pleased that he was so personable and that he was interested in me and where and how my cancer started. Not only did he diagnose me immediately, he spent time with me and talked with me, and the first thing he said to me was, I want to find out why you got cancer. And so we talked about my parents and my health, and he spent over 2 hours with me just talking about my wellness and my issues. And when he started talking about my life and my parents and heredity and all of those factors, he started mentioning certain things that I probably had based on my lifestyle. And so I knew I was in the right place. I had the best peace and the greatest feeling to start treatment. So I started right away, right that same day. And I've been here a month, and I have to tell you, it has just changed my life. When we did the tests, the initial tests, when we come in, sure enough, he was right on the money. He had pegged it exactly, that I had certain metals and toxics in my body. Because when I started, I was apprehensive, but as the weeks went on, I started to get more confident, and now I'm excited and energized, and I feel great, and I'm just so ready to go home and just share what good treatments I received. I just know that this was the right place to come. Sunridge Medical just definitely changed my life, and I'm so happy to share that.